One of the things I really liked about Google Classroom was being able to send out a Google Doc and have each of my students get their own editable copy. I can still do that in Canvas. It's just a slightly more involved process. I'm going to start off from my modules and I'm going to add an assignment. Click new assignment. I'm going to call this one, I'm going to call it Phil. And add it. And then when I go back and edit my assignment, now in this top box, I'm just going to put my directions and whatever I want my students to do. I'm going to grade this one, so I'll make it worth 4 points. And my submission type. This is the important part. I'm going to choose external tool. And then for my external tool, I'm going to use Google Assignments. And I have to click a few boxes here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it worth 4 points. I can add my rubric right here if I want to. I can create a rubric. And this is just like the process that we did in Google Classroom. And I'm not going to bother finishing that. I would normally write that whole thing out. Oh, I have to title this. Okay. Now I'm going to attach my file. I'm going to go in and I'm just going to use Phil's fish. Add it in. Now each student is going to get a copy of it. I'm going to attach my rubric to it, and then I'm going to create my assignment. Go back here, I'm going to hit select, and then I'm going to hit save. And now it's going to link my students. They're each going to get a copy of that Google Doc, and the rubric is now attached to that assignment.